Yo, what's going on, guys? We'll see if we can make this quick here. Basically today, this is the daily chart. Biggest thing I see. Remember yesterday we inversed this daily down. You see we dug back up into it today, rejected, and then like if you're looking at this like on my end, if you're pretending this is like a 5 minute chart. Like this is looking like the draw to me. Yeah, YM already took these lows, but the way this is reacting to this daily inverse, and if you guys know what this is, when this candle closed below, this became a daily bearish order block because we closed below it. And you see we wick up into that daily order block, we wick up into that daily inverse, and then reject here, showing no signs of wanting to push higher. And where did we reject? We also rejected pretty much right at 50%, right? So we 50% up, and then push back down. So I do think 828 is in the cards. We'll see if we get that tomorrow. If we get 828 tomorrow, I think I'm going to be bullish going into non-farm payrolls on Friday, and then we'll see what liquidity looks like then. But if we take this tomorrow, I think we're bullish. Just remember, tomorrow could be awful. Usually the day before NFP is full of chop, so we could just sit here and chop tomorrow, and then NFP could pull like something like this, take these, and then go higher. Or we could go if we go to the hourly chart. Notice today these were like hourly equal lows that we left down here. If you notice down here, these are hourly equal lows. They're 5 minute, they're 15-minute equal lows. So I expect these to get ran at 9663. Doesn't mean we have to go down to 828, but I do expect these to get ran either tomorrow or we could get some kind of NFP wick and then shoot back up here, or we get some kind of NFP wick all the way down here and then back up. But we'll see what happens tomorrow. I'm not expecting much in terms of price action tomorrow, the day before NFP. But so let's look at the higher time frame here. So obviously we just looked at the daily. We're rejecting daily order block. Like everything on the higher time frame is saying this wants to push lower because on the daily order block inverse like everything rejected today. It showed no signs of wanting to push through it. And then what else happened? So obviously 4 hour inverse, daily inverse. I just showed you guys 50% here. We already know we rejected 50% today. You see, we never got like a body above it, never like even close to like show any kind of wanting to move up higher. But then what happened? I mean, we got this 4 hour BPR down here. That's also holding price, and then this 4 hour, see we haven't even got a body close inside of it. So it still looks pretty bearish to me until we close over this 4 hour here, and then I think we get bullish. But so right now it's just a battle of this 4 hour and this 4 hour, whichever one gives. Then I think we're either going to go back up to the highs here or to the lows here. Or I think we're just setting up for NFP here. Um, so today coming in, I was kind of like, okay, well, last night we expected some kind of like, we were way down here. We expected some kind of 50% retrace. You see, that's exactly what we got, and then we still could not inverse. And I was like, okay, well, if we inverse this hourly, we know we're going up to this hourly, and that's exactly what we got. And you see, we never really got a good inverse of the hourly here. See, like if you draw it good, like we never really got a good inverse of it, as well as the 4 hour. So what I'm thinking now, so tonight I'm gonna watch the two 4 hours, right? The two 4 hours, and then what else? So after the rejecting the 50% today, we made this hourly fair value gap sitting here, or fair value. Oh, it is an hourly fair value gap, but it's an hourly BPR, right? We have a 4 hour inverse or a 1 hour inverse here with this candle, and then this is the 1 hour FVG. So we know these don't get like these usually don't get left, especially BPRs. They're the strongest PD arrays in the market. So I'm kind of looking for some kind of move up into this tonight and see how we react here. If we end up inversing this and closing above it, I think we're in for some further bullish action. Otherwise, I think we're gonna draw into it, reject, go take the at least the equal lows down here at that 963 level, and then we'll see how price reacts from there. But either way, I think somehow we end up taking these equal lows at least. We don't have to go take 828. We could. But we don't necessarily have to. But yeah, so tonight, just watching this hourly BPR, this will tell us everything we need going into tomorrow and possibly NFP. So it's what I'm kind of watching. And then let's see. So and then today, right? So today we woke up. We got a little pumped to 50%. We got the Powell news and jolts and all that good stuff today, and then we hit 50% up, right? And I was like, okay, well that's a terrible reaction at 50%. A lot of people were ready to go bearish because of that reaction. But then you have to pay attention to this. So you see what happened, right? We got okay, yeah, we hit 50% up, but that doesn't mean we didn't hit 50% up just go all the way back down to the lows. We could hit 50% up just to 50% down, and then like it's just how the market balances itself. And then look, we come down into this 4 hour BPR, FVG, and then we hit 50% of that, right? So we hit 50% of that, and look how the price is still reacting there. So I need to see a bearish close under here to really get bearish down to 828 down to the last Thursday lows down there. And remember, we also held. This was also a 4 hour order block as well. So right now we're just stuck. We're stuck. We're stuck between this 4 hour, this hourly. We're stuck between this 4 hour at 50%, and we're just waiting to see what happens here. But go through here. We at least go down to the 64 equal lows, and then if no reversal there, then 828. And then if we hold, obviously back up to the highs. So plenty of things to play out here. Just remember we are delivering the from this weekly bullish order block here. So price, I mean, has every reason to go back higher here without taking this low. If we come back down here, I mean, it's pretty bearish sign, but like I said, this can still hold. But just look at the reaction that we get though off of a weekly. Like remember last week or 2 weeks ago, we came back down. We entered this weekly FEG here, and then right here, and then price just ripped right back higher, right? And then obviously look what happens here. We come down into a weekly order block, and then we push back higher. So obviously it's tough either direction here. Like I said, it's just patience is going to be key here. So that's what I'm watching on NQ. ES, pretty much same thing, right? If you guys were in the TRT stream today, I pointed out this 4 hour volume imbalance sitting up here at 51.34. You see that was pretty much high of day for ES, rejected right at that volume imbalance where these two bodies were not touching each other. ES also hit this 4 hour FVG here, and then push back lower off 50%. But what's going on here? I mean, ES had the same thing. It came back down, hit a 4 hour FVG, and we're still holding it going into the overnight. So same thing to watch on ES. Watch this volume imbalance. If we push over this 51.34, then obviously 51.57, 51.60 is back in the cards. If we end up going down through here, then last Thursday's low down there at 50.60 is going to be the target for ES. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys tonight. If you guys have, yeah, hope you guys have a great evening, and we'll catch you guys later.